We're at Down to Earth and about to fucking do some two-stepping at that Lincoln.
Making the oyster moisture out here, dude.
Trying over here. Watch out, fucker. He's a land yacht. Get about my way. Is there any oil back there? We're good, huh? It's ready to fuck.
First time I rode in it since it was stock.
Gucci made a flare now. Oh yeah. She's gotta get hot to do that, buddy.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna let them go so we go last.
Go to. Save the best for last.
Oh yeah, baby. See you over here, buddy. You sit outside. You stay outside.
Dude, I had to get some heat. I was going to pass out.
Really? Too much party. Oh, sick.
I like American muscle.
Oh, heck yeah. I'm doing a Firebird next, 78.
Yes, I got a 2,000 barrel convertible.
Oh, heck yeah, that's cool.
And I bring this out on beautiful days like this.
Yo, hell yeah, that's
It's a
cool.
Lion Cloud Stealer. That's my 78 Firebird.
No, it's not. He's full of it.
Like a Cloud Stealer. Let me guess, 69 Firebird too.
I love messing with Dave.
Sucker.
I like that RX-7. That's gnarly, bro. How do those take it so good? A two-step.
Because the...
Oh, yeah, papa.
She's warm and ready, dude.
Yeah, she's hot. She's a hot boy. Dude, my fuel level's at 8.
It ain't got no gas in it, jackasses.
I didn't think about to see if it had gas.
What up? What are you doing? He just put us on DTM, baby. Down to Earth movement. He's like,
He liked it, dude. Dude, the people are horny.
Are they horned up?
They're horned
I'm a
up.
little horny.
You're gonna need to go back or you can make the turn.
I can make it. It's a land yacht. I need my boat license. That's nasty, bro. We're getting fucked up over here.
You're gonna get fucking toasted.
Let this thing tear up. Oh, fuck, dude. What up? Let him have it.
I'm about to whoop that ass!
Try it, man. Now try it.
I'm about to whoop that ass!
Try it, try it. 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 Try it, try it one. I'm deaf. I think I won this shit.
Dude, John, come find me. We're gonna give you one of those banners.
Thank you, dude. Thank you, dog. I appreciate it.
Dude.
Thank you, dude. We won it. That's dope. Won that shit, boy. Give it to him again. I love it, dude.
Oh my God.
We made a fucking statement, buddy.
Well, I just have to say, I saw you in low class for the first time,
Oh,
and
hell
the Lincoln Continental is my dream car, and this is
Hell yeah.
absolutely everything I wanted.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, we won that shit.
Oh yeah, buddy.
That's good. I'm gonna let it cool off, bro. Thing's so hot.
What are you about to do with this thing?
Fucking blow the tires off it. Use the motherfucker.
Tell me this isn't a garage princess?
No, buddy. I rock you. I fucking beat the brakes off it. Dave, your son's doing the burnout, man.
Fuck he is.
You let him.
Fuck you.
I know you'll pay for the tire or some brakes.
I'm not.
Look at that.
So who's a weirdo waving at you? That's your side piece?
No, that's my sister.
Oh. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. If you want to get down to the water trough, you're going to come in forward another like 2 feet.
Alright. Is the body on the ground? I'm good. Good. So stinky in there, bro. I let that shit air out. Oh my god, the thing gets down, dude. Holy shit.
Wow, this is Smokey McGee, my
Yeah,
boy.
this is Smokey McGee, my boy. Let me go park this thing. Yo. I won? Oh, sick.
I'm with Jasper Keys. We sponsored the Burnout competition.
Oh, sick.
So you won that hat.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Heck yeah. Oh, well, I won it.
buddy.
I won it. Yeah. Hell yeah. 2 events, baby. That's cool.
Fuck yeah.
Pumped.
I think you blew out my right eardrum.
Was it loud? Oh, it gets down.
2 for 2, buddy.
I like it. Is
go.
it loud?
Well, yeah.
She's a monster, bro. I'm gonna drive it home now. I wish I could go do donuts. I like it. This car not like me no more. Not like it no more. Which way? She's so hot, dude.
Woo! We ain't saving no fortune for no one.
Burnout pit.
Dude, you did so good. I was like, okay, look at you. I'll see you.
I'll see you.
Dude, save some for us, fucker.
Hell yeah, bro. You're right. That slaps, bro. Thanks for watching. This was a good event here at Down to Earth. Had fun blowing some tires off. We're going to be making a bunch more content. Bryce is partnered up with me. We're going to be making a lot more YouTube, so stay tuned. 69.
Breaking necks at the gas station. What you think, man? Nice. Nice?
He's like, what the fuck? Hey, you're like, what? Get in there and press the gas. Jump in. Push the button. Jump in. Push the button right here. Press button and gas. Yeah, aquí and full gas. Press, push, gas. Pull. All the way. Full gas.
Oh my god.
He liked that shit, huh?
He loved that shit. Dude, it popped the biggest fucking flame right there.
Yeah, when I'm gonna buy a new pack.
Just letting randoms two-step the car at the gas station.
My boy does. That's how my boy does.
Oh,
A different
God.
country, he's gonna shit his pants.
Let him get a little pussy too, man.
When pray I'm doing, cause the body's out there, live up in your child, they paint the house with me like